Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars, and in front of me today is a 1965 Factory 5 Cobra. This one was built in 2002 and it's powered by a built 302 cubic inch V8 with a supercharger on it. I'll get into more of the specifics of the engine in a second, but behind it, it's backed up by a Tremec 5-speed transmission. 2 owners since completion. Currently it has 39,495 miles on it. The built engine includes Keith Black pistons, aluminum heads, an E303 camshaft, crane roller rockers, a Vortech V1 SC supercharger pushing about 6 pounds of boost, which is conservative but still plenty to give this car enough power to get it around. It's very small, very lightweight. Ceramic coated headers, side pipe exhaust, dyno tested at 347 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, which again, in a car this small and this light, that is more than enough power to get this thing around. It's still extremely fast and you get awesome Procharger noises, which is just a plus. It has staggered width 15-inch GT40 style wheels from PS Engineering, wrapped in Cobra radial tires. The front suspension has adjustable tubular upper control arms and Proshock coilovers. The back has a Ford 8.8 rear end with 373 final drive gears, which is very peppy for this car. 323 is pretty short gearing for something like this, although it does have a 5-speed, which helps on the highway rather than a 4-speed. The rear suspension has Carrera coilovers. The paint is Viper red with Arctic white stripes. The interior is sound deadened all the way throughout, including in the trunk. Black interior with the wood-rimmed Cobra steering wheel. Looks absolutely awesome. It's got Stewart Warner gauges, Simpson 5-point racing harnesses on both the driver and passenger seat. It's got fresh air ducts to let in nice cool air when you're driving this thing around. It does have heat. It does not have air conditioning. It's got vintage air heat though. This is a very well sorted, fantastic street or track driving Cobra. It's got the nice side pipes, the GT40 wheels look awesome. I like the red paint. It's got the 2 yellow stripes on the driver fender. That was a racing thing back in the day, so that the safety crew knew which side the driver was sitting on in case he got in a crash and they had to go save him. This one has the single roll hoop. It's in chrome, which looks absolutely awesome. Kind of matches the chrome around the windshield, the chrome wiper arms, and the hood latches here. You got the racing style gas cap there on the back. Again, just a Cobra thing. They all have that. Looks amazing. And it's just a really well built Factory 5, and I think I want to hear it and take it for a spin. So let me go grab Chris and we'll take it for a drive.
Oh man, and it's hot.
Yeah, the seat's a little hot, Chris. I'm sorry. It's warm today. It's been out in the sun. Although you seem to get in it pretty easy.
Yes, I'm starting to really figure out how to get in this bad boy.
For a bigger guy, that didn't seem too bad.
Nope.
Startup procedure for this, the key goes on the left side of the wheel.
Yep. Yeah, that is a weird one. It's not what we're used to.
Yeah, it's got the normal, just the normal Ford key, the big one. And then you got a shut off down there. And then you just twist the key and it'll start.
Yep, let's do that. Oh, and just put the key.
You can hear that Procharger.
You sure can.
Yeah, flip your head backwards.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let me climb in. Oh, the seats are hot. Before we go, I'm going to do up my lap belt. That might be a great idea. It does have 5-point harnesses, like I mentioned in my little walk around.
Oh boy.
If you want the full harness, you could obviously use it.
We're not going that fast, especially since it just kind of rained 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not wet anymore, but it did just rain, so we're going to take it a little easy. God, that Procharger sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's nice and loud.
Got to flip the hat backwards so they don't go flying off. That's a must.
A must in these lovelies. This is a Factory 5. I like it though.
Yeah, as I mentioned, built in 2002.
Ooh.
2 owners. We've had this car before after the first owner, then we sold it. The guy enjoyed it for about 4,000 or 5,000 miles.
Nice.
And then brought it back. Yeah, so it's only got 39,000 miles on it right now. Here we go. Which, since 2002, isn't very many.
No way.
That's 23 years. Oh, my head's still coming off.
Well, how is that possible?
I don't know. I might have to take it off.
I'll try not to go too fast. Boy, it's a little cooler out here, thank God.
Well, it's not easy to not go fast in this car.
Yeah, you just simply lift the clutch up.
Yeah, it does make 347 horsepower, 350 pound-feet, according to the dyno.
We got the auxiliary fans on.
Yeah, which is plenty for a Cobra. Oh, here we go. Oh my God.
I like the snap, crackle, and pop.
Yeah, that Belt 302 sounds awesome.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's got upgraded heads, pistons, cam, all sorts of stuff. I said all the specifics in the
Good deal on
the beginning portion. Here's the gauges here in the middle. We got water temp there, which still isn't all the way up yet. We got oil temperature there, which hasn't moved yet. We just cold started it. Oil pressure, which is fantastic. Voltage and fuel, very nice. Oh my goodness.
That just makes you smile.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, it just wants to rip my head off. I love it.
Yeah. 373 gears in the back.
Positive traction.
So they're peppy.
Happy.
You got the heater and fan controls here. I'm not going to turn the heat on today.
Thank you.
That's the
There's
horn.
the horn.
That button on the dash. Very nice. That's probably... Oh, that's wipers.
Wipers.
Very
Don't
nice.
drive in the rain, kids. I'm losing this thing, so.
You got lights and flashers down here under the dash. And then there's your shut off. Don't touch that while you're driving. The car will turn off. You got your tach over there in front of the driver. And your speedo way over on the left. Very nice. And then we got a fire extinguisher back here just in case. Just in case. Ooh, Mustang.
Just in case we smoke some tires.
Yeah. But I don't think we will today.
No, please, God.
Although this will easily smoke its tires.
All day long.
Especially with 373s and positive traction. It's got plenty of power. Plenty of torque to do that.
And you know, is this the first red one we've done?
We don't really get a lot of red Cobras.
We do not.
Not even the backdrafts. No, we get a lot of like dark blue and gray and black and white. But I love the red and I love the yellow stripes over there on the fender. It looks really cool. Sounds really cool. Oh my goodness. The pops and bangs are amazing.
And there's a police officer of the law.
Yes, we'll take it easy next to the police officer of the law.
Yeah, a red Cobra is gonna be seen.
Yeah,
It's not like we blend in.
it's not subtle.
We don't blend.
You don't blend into traffic. Although it rides amazing.
You know it does, and honestly, it shifts really
It's
nice.
got nice coilovers on the front and the back.
Yeah.
Tubular control arms. Very nice stuff. Suspension doesn't beat you up. The seats
It
hug
really
you
doesn't.
nice and tight.
Honestly, that's the most surprising thing is it really does drive nice.
Yeah. Got a nice Tremec 5-speed. Can't go wrong with that. Oh my goodness.
I just slowed off because there's a guy in front of us.
Yeah. It didn't
It's
take long.
incredibly fast.
It didn't take long to catch up to him. He's in a Jeep.
Jeep.
Wow. I love the sound of that Proshock.
I love this car. This is fun. Oh, I love it.
I think this Jeep is scared in front of us.
As well he should be.
As well he should be.
I'm a little scared. I'm not going to be honest with you.
Oil temp just started to move a little bit there in the middle. Water temp is still fantastic. We're charging, we got gas, we got great oil pressure still.
No police officers behind us, which is even better.
Yeah, that's very nice. We're going to avoid all the puddles over here. All right. Well, this is fun and exciting.
Yeah, I guess we're done.
I'm ready to do some flybys.
I bet you are.
I was born ready.
Appropriate. It's
got Cooper Cobras on it. Very appropriate. That car, it understands. It's purpose built. It's angry. I like it. First time driving a red one. Wow, there's a 69 Camaro. You don't see those that often. Wait, that's one of our guys driving it. Yay! There's Nick, freshly back from Florida. All right. Eventually he's going to go, but he's going to wait for that guy to go because that's what he does. He waits. Better let him go pretty far ahead. Pick up the pace, Patty. Good gravy. That is not slow. It is not slow at all. Oh my God, he wasn't even in it. It was fast. These guys are still trying to catch up.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Our good buddy Nick passed us in a Camaro.
I saw that. I mentioned him.
This thing feels as fast as our backdrafts,
Yes.
although it's rated much lower as far as horsepower goes.
It doesn't seem that that's correct.
No, it doesn't. This thing takes off like a rocket ship. I was afraid to get full throttle.
Oh, for sure. And you were going to catch up with that truck.
Yeah, I mean,
You had to go
I had
slower.
to give myself a gap. This thing
I
is
like
fast.
the way you got in front of the big 18-wheeler so you can go real quick.
Yeah, I know. All the vitals are fantastic. We still have great oil pressure. It's staying cool. Oil pressure staying cool. We're charging. Got plenty of gas. Horn works.
And how about that color?
Yeah, the paint's in fantastic
Viper
condition
red.
too. It looks so good. I would daily this.
Oh, God, yes.
It's a really, really well-built Factory 5.
It is.
Are you ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.